guys, welcome to another vlog. I woke up a few minutes ago and not gonna lie, I feel so tired. I hit the snooze like 10 times. I was gonna wake up at 6, but I ended up waking up at 7. Yeah, I don't wanna beat myself up because the week has been so hectic and it has just started. It's only Tuesday, but in general, like past month, past weeks, they've just been so over the top hectic, not in a bad way. I'm like glad they were, but yeah, I do need to take it one step at a time. But anyways, right now I'm just like having my hot water, which I need. It just like comforts me in the morning. Sometimes I like to mix like lemon juice in it or like a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar just for like good digestion and everything. Okay, so right now I have my to-do list with me, which we are gonna make together because I really need to know what all do I need to get done today, and we're also going out, so I need to figure where all we are going, what all is happening. I have a really fun event that I'm attending today, so yeah, let's just quickly first make our to-do list. Okay, I am so hungry. I need to fix myself some breakfast immediately. Like my stomach is making noises. So I have avocado. Of course, we're gonna make avocado toast. And I think I have some fruits in my refrigerator. I'm just gonna see and cut a few of them. I'm quickly gonna have breakfast because after that I need to take a shower. I need to get ready and we have to get going, right? So yeah, I also need to toast some bread. So I'm just gonna do that. I've had this one in my house for a while, but I really hope it has not gotten stale and I can eat it because I'm low-key craving avocado. It's not bad. I can get rid of the area that is like not looking so good. It's just like this top layer, like just this much is not looking good. Okay, I'm out of the shower. I did wash my hair because I was literally on my 4th day here and it was so crusty and so bad. And yeah, now I feel so nice, so clean, squeaky clean, not gonna lie. And because of that, I am running a little late. I need to style my hair like ASAP. I have been using the Dyson Airstraight for a while now, and this is a genius product. It is so smart because like I love my curls, trust me, I do, but sometimes I just want like a change of vibe, and when I have to straighten my hair, it is a task. I'm not even kidding. People with my kind of hair know what I'm saying, but this product right here, it has made my styling game so effortless, so easy. Let me just show you what I do. Okay, first I'm gonna click on the start button and this is gonna self clean itself. I will first dry my roots. I've sectioned my hair and now this is like a 2-in-1 product, right? So it will dry my hair, but it'll also straighten them at the same time. And if you don't believe me, let me just show you guys, because when I first heard about it, I was like, no way this is gonna work. But to my surprise, of course, Dyson never fails. Did you see that? Like, look at my hair. That's it. That's what I'm gonna repeat with like rest of my hair. This is the side that's done, and you all can clearly see the difference. Also, it did auto pause itself to like save energy. So like whenever I put it down and whenever it's like not in use, it just automatically, you know, pauses. So yeah, that's quite nice. And dude, I can't believe it's like so easy. It's like the best thing ever. We are done. We are literally done with our hair. Oh my god. I'm just gonna do like a cold shot to finish everything off. And this is how my hair finally ended up looking like. I think I loved it. Also because it was just so easy. And then I just threw on my workout set and I was out and about. I also did not really get ready, so I got this like huge pouch with everything, and I just put on like a little bit of sunscreen and of course some concealer. I was going for a workout. I was not going for like a heavy makeup, just like a little bit of tint, a little bit of lipstick, some mascara, just something to make myself look a little put together. And then I read my book. I'm reading Cleopatra and Frankenstein. I'm almost done. I'm really enjoying. But yeah, that was about it.
My vlog. Okay, so yeah, meet everyone.
Ready?
1 minute. Let's start it.
Keep going, controlling the rope. Where's the last one in this group?
Guys, they have like these really cute overnight oats. Vanilla blueberry overnight oats. And a cute matcha bar. I am in Soho's washroom. I was supposed to meet my friends, but all of them are late. Good though, because I now have time to sort of freshen up. I have carried an outfit, so I'm just gonna change. I'm just gonna freshen up because I've just done like a sweaty workout. So I'm gonna do that. I am a little hungry, and they also had like overnight oats. They were yummy, but I did not have too much of it because it was too sweet, and that's me saying too sweet. Like I love sweets, but then whatever. And yeah, now quickly gonna change, and I'll see you guys. I am all freshened up, so cute. I'm wearing my most favorite color today, yellow. I love it. Yeah, dude, also I feel like sometimes it's me who is late, and then when I am on time, no one is on time, and I'm just like, dude, what's the point? Like, we discussed a time, but then I get it because sometimes even I'm not on time, so I don't know who to blame at this point. But I'm working on my sort of skills, okay? Like, I really don't want to be the person who is late because it just speaks so much about your character, and I don't want to be the person who's just always in the rush, always saying, you know, like, oh my god, I'm running late. It's annoying. Like right now I am annoyed because my friends are late, so even the person who's waiting for me when I am running late would be like equally annoyed. So I get it, like getting late is the most unattractive thing ever. So we girls need to be on time, okay? And also I feel like at least in Mumbai, people don't really respect each other's time. They're always like, oh, we're in traffic, which is valid because traffic here is crazy. But then also, I don't know, dude, but whatever. I'm looking cute, I like that. Also, this washroom is so pretty and I'm so glad no one is here. You look like a college person. Show your drink. Cute. I know I have a shopping problem, but it's sale season and my mom is coming. We did shop like a few things. Like I shopped like a few things for her from Crossword. Yeah, I did get cute things which I'll show you guys in a bit, but right now I'm going to Mango. I went to Marks and Spencer. It was so bad, but I have expectations from Mango. Should get like, I have belt, I have black. Definitely not this. was planning to take this one, but I feel like the sleeves are not fitting the way they're supposed to fit. Like, they're too fitted. I wish they were like looser. I love this color, I love the turtleneck, but something is just not right. Like, either this side or like, I don't know. It's cute, it's nice, it's not bad, but it's not it. My DJI is literally on 5% battery, but before it dies on me, I want to show you guys what I got from Crossword. I did not get anything from Mango and Marks and Spencer because everything was so mid, and like the sale is almost ending, so I get it. Like, they didn't have sizes, they didn't have good collection, but anyways, like, let me just get on with it. So my mom is coming to visit me soon, and I got so many of these coloring books, so I'm thinking like, this I'll keep for myself, this will be for my mom, and this will be for my sister. And yeah, I just want to give them this. I think all of us live such a stressful life, and we need something calming and something nice that just takes our mind off everything, something to concentrate on apart from like all the hustle and bustle. So I love these, and I also got these like color pencils for my mom because I have them, but like she doesn't. Also got the cutest mug. Look at it, and look at the top. It's so cute. It's red and it has this like heart here. It's like a heart tag, but this is like literally the cutest. Another thing that is for me, but because my mom is also coming, we might do this together. It's like this knitting set, and it says, okay, it's not knitting, it's more like a pom-pom situation, but you make this with the yarns. And isn't this the cutest thing ever? Like, yeah guys, I'm just trying to find ways to just sort of be with my mom and have fun with her, so I thought this would be cute, and I hope she likes it too, and we get to make this together, and she actually, like, we both actually end up making it. And then lastly, another thing which I also got from my mom, it's this Bhagavad Gita, and inside it's like in Hindi and English both, so I'm glad she can read in Hindi. She loves like reading things in Hindi. Her Hindi is so good. I remember when I was in school, all the time she used to teach me Hindi. And yeah, just in case she wants to also read in English. I don't think this is English. Wait, it's in 3 languages. Oh wait, and that's it. That's everything I got from Crossword. Now I'm just gonna rest a little, freshen up a little, put my camera on charge, put my phone on charge, and then I'll see you guys in a bit. I have freshened up, I removed my makeup, I was just chilling for a bit because yeah, today has been hectic, you guys, and now I'm just, oh my god, I'm craving matcha so badly. But I've had matcha, like today's matcha intake is done, so I'm not gonna have another one, but I am planning to just like make something for myself or bake something for myself. I don't know. I'll just quickly check on my Pinterest folder. I have this folder that says food, and I keep like saving pins of, I don't know, like food recipes and things I want to try and make. It is a public board, so just in case y'all want to check it out, y'all can. There are just a few things that I've added, but if y'all want, then I'll add more. This is how it looks. Please go check it. It's on Pinterest again. But yeah, let me just quickly figure something that I'm gonna make for myself. I also have a feeling my cook is not gonna come today, so I have to fix myself some dinner, but I am not gonna make my dinner for sure, so I'm probably gonna order like salad or something. But yeah, also, have you all met the newest member of family? Oh my god guys, I got this from IKEA. It's so big, it's so realistic, so cute. It's like the cutest. I love it. I'm obsessed. I haven't named her anything. In my opinion, it's a her. Guys, absolutely no points for guessing what I'm making right now. We have, of course guys, we have some bananas that are going stale, and I just cannot, it's not in me to see these bananas go to waste, okay? Like, I will, so I've just chat GPT'd like a recipe, and I'm just gonna quickly make it. I will put the recipe because I think I've done this like a gazillion times on my YouTube, so I don't want to get too much into it. But yeah, that's what we are baking tonight. I'm excited. I don't have walnuts, which is kind of sad, but we're gonna roll with it. Guys, the sky is looking so pretty today. I love clouds. My muffins are baked and I've just kept them like outside to sort of cool down a little. I also ordered like a wrap for myself because yes, my cook took a leave and I had to order because I was so exhausted. I was like, I'm not cooking now. Yeah, but anyways, I want to talk about the fact that guys have started like this thing or like one movie every day because I just love watching movies. It's like my way of unwinding, I guess. So the only thing I look forward to every day is just this time, this sacred time where I like put on my projector and I sit and I watch a movie. I'm either having my dinner or I'm not doing anything, I'm just watching a movie, but like, oh my god, I love it. And also on my broadcast I asked you guys that, you know, tell me which movie should I watch today, and we have quite a lot of recommendations. I'm just gonna pick something and we're gonna watch it.
And you know how much to use. You're feeling your heartbeat, pulling your heart.
One does not go.